MicroStrategy affirms plans to continue to buy Bitcoin even as the price of Bitcoin plummets. American mobile software and business intelligence firm MicroStrategy remains bullish on Bitcoin, despite the asset slumping 48% from its peak price last year. The chief financial officer of MicroStrategy, Fong Lo, has stated that the company will continue with its Bitcoin buying strategy despite the market downturn. Lo made the statements in an interview with the Wall Street Journal this week, adding that the Bitcoin strategy is to buy and hold, and that any excess cash flows or money raised will be channeled into more purchases. When asked about selling by Bloomberg last week, company chief executive and Bitcoin bull Michael Saylor said never. No. We're not sellers, before adding we're only acquiring and holding Bitcoin, right? That's our strategy. The company made its first BTC purchase in August 2020, when the asset was trading at around $11,500. It has continued to buy more in 2020 and throughout 2021 as prices surged. As of December 29, 2021, MicroStrategy held 124,391 BTC according to filings with the Securities and Exchange Commission. At current prices, the stash is worth around $4.47 billion, making the firm the largest corporate holder of the asset. According to BitcoinTreasuries, the dollar cost basis of MicroStrategy's BTC holdings is $3.75 billion, which means the firm is still in profit to the tune of around $720 million, or about 16%. According to the Wall Street Journal, the company is also considering buying Bitcoin-backed bonds if the market becomes more liquid. Lo said this could happen in the next year or two before adding we're constantly looking at other ways to be additive to our shareholders as it relates to Bitcoin. The SEC has sent a letter to MicroStrategy asking it to disclose BTC holdings in future filings, rather than accounting for impairment losses. Accounting is black and white, but disclosures tend to be gray, said Lo, who agreed in principle with the regulator's request. The world's second largest corporate holder of Bitcoin is Tesla, which has 43,200 BTC according to BitcoinTreasuries. At current prices, the stash is worth $1.55 billion, which is only slightly more than the dollar cost basis value of $1.50 billion. Tesla's outspoken CEO, Elon Musk, has not mentioned whether the company would be buying or selling any more of the asset. Tesla shifted around 10% of its BTC stash in Q2 2021, a move that boosted that quarter's earnings by $272 million.